Welcome back, guys, to another good video, and today we're going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what Hyperhouse went ahead and completed. And they're going ahead and ceramic coating it right now, but this is a Carrera S twin turbo sitting on some beautiful bricks and forged wheels. They went ahead and converted this from all white to all matte black. They did all the door jambs, every little piece of white was covered in beautiful film. They went ahead and right now currently laying down some ceramic coating. They're using Beadlock Wrap from Shine Supply. This one right here is pretty much one of the finer ones that we've decided to work with. We were previously, me and Matthew were working with G-Technic Halo. That was doing well, but we just like to go ahead and demonstrate better products here. So they're wrapping that up, and you can go ahead and see. I'm going to show you guys over here. Every bit of this was tailored perfectly. There's nothing wrong, no flaws. And what I love about it, it just looks OEM. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys once this is all done, a beautiful after, because this car looks super nice, especially in the sun. If you guys do need any type of vinyl work, PPF work, don't forget to go ahead and hit Hyperhouse up. We're gonna go ahead and leave their information right here down below, and let's go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. And just like us always, we have 3 towels, one for leveling, one to follow up, and then another one to go ahead and make sure every bit of the coating is off. Especially when you're working on matte cars, satin cars, you want to go ahead and be careful that no residue is left, because there will show a lot of streakage, especially in the sun. And this car is notorious to go ahead and see a lot of flaws if you do not remove it properly. So Matthew right now is going to go ahead and pretty much paint the car with all this ceramic coating right here. And if you guys noticed, Matthew went ahead and started from the center. You want to go ahead and start from the center and do like a cross, so that way you can go ahead and distribute that ceramic coating evenly and not have an excessive amount just sitting in one area. You always want to make sure you have a good thick amount of ceramic coating on there, so that way you don't have to run one area less product than the other. And this specific coating is not going to go ahead and sweat. This coating is going to go ahead and rainbow. So when you're going and doing this, again, start from the center, pull it out, drag it out. But you always have a grabbing effect. So it's going to be like a tacky feel on your towel. And that's when you know you're going to be ready to go ahead and remove the ceramic coating. And when you are removing it, make sure you have a good clean microfibers. Because if not, you're going to go ahead and put more ceramic coating on the surface, and that's not going to be good. Oh, damn. That looks like paint, Matthew, on the video. Crazy. Look. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up this beautiful Carrera S twin turbo. So now that we went ahead and ceramic coated the whole vehicle, this is the end finish. It is a very menacing stealth look and it's protected. So if you guys can, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below if you guys like this type of setup, because we're gonna go ahead and be rolling with a few other cars that we have inside. They're gonna be looking sweet just like this. And here, guys, we have Mr. Jerry helping us out, right? Well, actually, let me rephrase that. I told him, you know, let's both do it, and then you know, he just took over. He's a master certified technician, all AMG certified. So, you know, I decided, hey, you know, in our car, we need someone that's certified and knows what he's doing. We're adding some aftermarket parts here on the car. So we're going to show you guys once we're done. As you can see, it's fully dismantled, but no worries. We're going to go ahead and make sure everything's back and safe. And then we're going to show you guys what we added. So it's going to be something sweet, something nice, just to give it a little update, refresh. So stay tuned for that also. So now we walked over here in our wash bay area, and we have a beautiful C63S that we're gonna go ahead and take care of. My boy Jerry, the one that helping us with the interior stuff on my car, is going to go ahead and receive a sweet little detail for going ahead and hooking us up. So we're going to go ahead and return a favor by going ahead and dialing in his car also. We're just going to go ahead and focus on the exterior. We're going to go ahead and do a wash, clay, and a one-step polish and an engine bay. So it's going to go ahead and transform this car. This car previously was in our detail bay, but we didn't get to it because it was raining, a lot of stuff going on. But now today we're going to take care of it. So let's go ahead and show you guys once it's all done. So now that we went ahead and wrapped up the black C63S in our shop car, this one came out 10 times better, guys. When I tell you this thing was hammered, it was literally sitting under a tree for God knows how long, because that's just literally where it stays. So claying was a task, but we got it done. We went ahead and used Sol from Oberk. This is pretty much our solution of today. We did Oberk Sol with a Buff and Shine edge guard pad. This is their blueberry one, and this is the key to go ahead and take pretty much a black car without leaving any haze, especially on harder paints. You're gonna have no haze on there. So this is something, a good little combo that I love to go ahead and do. And then we go ahead and topped it off with, I'm going to show you real quick. We went ahead and topped it off with Shine Supply Clutch. So this right here is going to go ahead and give you a good durability and hydrophobic properties without the risk of having to do a full-on ceramic coating. This right here is a spray sealant with ceramic properties. And then on ours, we went ahead and just did a maintenance style detail. After the fact, we went ahead and added an ambient lighting kit that was a option on the new 2024s. So we went ahead, this is a 2020, so we went ahead and updated just the center vents and a few other little things in the back. So that way it can look super nice, super sweet. So we wrapped that up, and that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. We do have 2 other cars that Matthew's gonna go ahead and PPF. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly before we go ahead and sign out. So in Hyperhouse's section right here, this is a normal day. You always would run into seeing a Porsche here. And just today we have 2 GT3 RSs, this one being a brand new one, having the YSAC package. And this one being in a lizard green with a YSAC package also. So one key little thing that I do want to mention, correct me if I'm wrong, but these are $15,000 to $20,000 option of magnesium blue wheels. So they started to come out with that on the newer models, and GT4 RSs and these GT3 RSs have magnesium wheels as an option. And that right there is a very pretty penny, but these blue look pretty sick on this thing. They're getting full body PPFs, as you can go ahead and see. I believe this film is Autobahn's, so this is the best film that you can possibly put on this, and it is done by yours truly, like always. So if you guys can, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys want to go ahead and see any other future videos, leave it down in the comments below so that we can go ahead and show you guys on the next one. Peace.